It's almost unimaginable.
OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT-4.
Yes, I have put consumer law in an AI, cloned my brain, put it in an AI, and I'm gonna give you guys the best. Make sure you get the free trial and let me know, because we're using it to build rebuttal letters, get deletion, we're deleting everything, and the software is the GOAT. It's the GOAT of all credit repair dispute software. ConsumerLaw.ai is the software you need. You cannot afford to miss it. Let's get it, let's go.
39 deletions, printed it out. We got collections, student loans. Someone just posted online that if someone says you could delete a student loan, don't believe them. But yet here it is, deleted.
We got deleted for Experian deleted all my hard inquiries.
And so far, just with the personal information, it's gone up about 100 points.
This was a 30-day update.
That's a 30-day update, okay.
30-day update.
What, is that saying 39 accounts deleted?
39.
I think I need my glasses because I'm not seeing it correctly. When it comes to credit, the reason why we don't know about credit is because we've been misinformed intentionally. So now that we know and we are waking up from the matrix, the question now becomes, what are you going to do about